All right, so she's not happy. Well, she was not happy, and she was looking to just get the doctor to smile. So all of a sudden, let's do the digital imaging, see what happens. Boom, she's super infatuated. She loves it. Well, let's see her reaction. Sheesh. All of a sudden, we look at this. Look how radiant she looks. It's just perfect profile. All the planes, anterior, posterior, sagittal, vertical, upper, lower, all balanced. You ready for your smile?
Yes. Oh my God, no. No way. You're crazy. Oh my God. What? No way. No way. Thank you so much. Oh my God, my dad's gonna kill me. My dad's gonna kill me. Oh my God.
I think your dad is going to be so happy.
I think he's gonna copy me, is what I think.
Your dad is gonna imitate, your mom is gonna imitate, and
Everyone?
I'm thinking this is what's gonna happen.
Thank you.
We're changing the family genetics.
Yeah.
The beauty's already there. Now the smile.
Thank you.
It's just the compliment that I told you, right?
Oh my God.
Did we do you right?
Yes.
Yes?
Really. Thank you so much.
My honor. You're a future
course.
doctor.
Yes.
You're gonna be an inspiration to the most, right? Some people won't understand why you want to commit to such a long career, but now you're gonna make it with a big smile.
Exactly. Thanks
Commitments to reach your goals, because this is what God mandates from you.
Exactly.
But also be happy, stay healthy, and just grind radiantly. Deal?
Deal.
Welcome.
Sounds good. Thank you.
It's crazy.
It looks so good.
It makes me feel so good because at her age, I was just starting dental school. And time flies, and all of a sudden you're like, a few years later, and then you accomplish your academic goals, and then a few years later you accomplish your financial goals. And then anything that you do in life, you have to be happy. You gotta put your passion. Because it doesn't matter, the financial rewards, if you're not happy doing what you do, it's not sustainable over time. This is something that she really wanted, and she tried doing all the methods of having a smile until she came to us to do the right things. And always, as professionals, our oath is to do what's right. And what's right is just making the patients healthier, happier, and let them smile, because it's just too much. Too much.